GM Cardano. I'm Lloyd Duhan. It is the 11th of October 2023. Here are your top stories. Eran Barak of Midnight joined Charles Hoskinson on an X space today to discuss the new data protection sidechain coming to Cardano.
What's special about Midnight is it's really a realization of kind of the model that we built Cardano for, which is Cardano had this Cardano asset and settlement system, and that's kind of the layer one. And that's where Ouroboros lives, and extended UTXO and Plutus. And really the intention there is that's like the best place in the world to issue an asset. And that's the best place in the world to securely do smart contracts and to establish a secure consensus backbone.
Later, Eran explained how Midnight can drive enterprise business to embrace the Cardano ecosystem.
We understood that we needed to build a proposition that goes beyond what's available in the market today. Because the regular elements or standard elements of a blockchain, whether it's decentralization, security and stability, scalability, are not enough. We needed to find how we can help enterprises deploy and use this technology. It's not just if you build it, they will come, but how do we make customers successful? So in that respect, we really looked at addressing some of the main pain points that enterprises see today with blockchain technology. First, we looked at confidentiality and sensitive data. No enterprise in their right mind is going to go and deploy that into the public sphere. They have to be protected. We also looked at risks around service availability. You have to be able to access the resources when you need them. It's not enough that they are fast or scalable or great. If they're not available, it doesn't mean anything. We needed to look at operating costs. How do we can budget for what we're doing? How do we manage all the issues with tokens and wallets? And how do we support policies, business policies, whether they are for the business or regulatory compliance? We needed to do all that within the public chain infrastructure. So Midnight is really trying to bring that all together to be a blockchain-based technology that empowers data protection apps. We want to help developers have the transparency of a public ledger, but at the same time shield the sensitive data and use zero-knowledge proofs and shielded tokens.
Lace Wallet has released version 1.6. Melanie, what can we expect?
GM Lloyd, the update includes several new features and improvements. Users now have more control over multi-staking, allowing them to customize the ratios of how their funds are distributed across up to 5 stake pools. The interface for managing multi-staking has been streamlined as well. Setup of the recovery phrase has been made easier through improved directions in the settings. Additional bug fixes were implemented related to multi-staking displays and calculations when removing a pool. Other minor adjustments were made to improve responsiveness and accuracy of the platform. The Lace team notes this release provides users more flexibility and an enhanced user experience. For GM Cardano, I'm Melanie Duhan.
Thanks, Melanie. If you have an important story that the Cardano community needs to hear, please use the GM Cardano tip line, gmctips@gmcardano.com, or send us a DM on X to our handle GM_Cardano. Today's episode was produced by Tyler Norman. For links to the above stories, please check our show notes. GM Cardano is your go-to resource for the latest news from the Cardano blockchain. Your support helps us grow. Please like and subscribe on YouTube or wherever you listen to your favorite podcasts.
GM Cardano.